Top 7 tips for new Fiverr sellers. Hey guys, what is up? My name is Dian. I am from South Africa. I'm a freelancer on Fiverr. I'm currently level 1, almost level 2. So yeah, today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 7 tips for new Fiverr sellers. Okay, so tip number 1 is to add a gig video. Research has shown that it can increase your orders up to 200%. And I mean, that's a lot. For just a short video, it doesn't even have to be very long. Just a short video, high quality, and it will increase your sales massively. That is a great place for new Fiverr sellers to start. Okay, so tip number 2 is to make sure your gig delivery time makes sense, because you don't want to overvalue your time and or undervalue it. So there has to be a balance. Don't ask for 14 days to do a delivery when you only need 3. That will, in the first place, really make people want to back off and not buy from you, because nobody wants to wait 14 days for an image, a modified image with face retouch or anything, just when they can wait 3 days or even 24 hours from some other sellers. But I know some people do take longer on their gigs, but just make sure to not overvalue your time or undervalue it. What I've learned is that you can always ask for an extension if you're seeing, oh wait, my time is running out, I haven't finished the project. You can always ask for an extension, because Fiverr buyers aren't cruel people. They're caring too. They understand and they respect your time most of the time. So just ask for an extension if you need it. They'll be sure to give you one. Okay, so tip number 3 is to use SEO to make your gig get found. So SEO means search engine optimization. That means you should use the tools Fiverr gives you, like keywords. I think it's also called tags, I'm not sure. You should use your tags, use your thumbnails, I mean the pictures you put on the gig. Use that, use the video, use the titles, use anything you can basically to make sure your gig gets on the top of the list whenever someone searches for that specific something. For example, Photoshop work. Make sure to add the keywords Photoshop, face retouching. If you're in that category, then whenever somebody searches for that, it's gonna rank top. So it's as easy as that. If you don't know what I mean, or if you don't understand, make sure to comment down below or ask in the comments, and make sure to drop a like, and I'll be sure to make a tutorial for you guys on how to do SEO on Fiverr. Okay, so tip number 4 is to make your profile stand out. Now, to me, this is pretty important, because obviously visuals is what attracts the eye. And if your profile picture looks really good, and if your gig picture looks really good, people will automatically want to click on it. So also make your profile look good. That also kind of means make sure you're getting 5 stars. And if you're not already getting orders, that's fine, but 5 stars, level 1 badges, that type of stuff, that is what gets people to order from you again and again and again. So if you can do that, you're on the go and you're ready and set for whatever task you're getting. Okay, so tip number 5 is pretty useful actually. If you haven't already, I don't know why you haven't, but you should get the Fiverr app. Now, the reason why you should get the Fiverr app is because it's on iOS and on Android, and it's pretty cool because whenever someone contacts you, you need to reply instantly, because response time is one of the main things buyers are looking for. If you respond in an approximate time period of like 6 hours, I'm sorry bro, you're not gonna cut it, because they're gonna go look for people that's either online or people that respond within an hour or 2. And I mean, obviously we're in South Africa, so we do have a disadvantage, but always make sure to try and at least respond within an hour or 2. If not, I personally respond in 3 hours, because I have school and all that stuff, so I can't always just be on my phone and quickly respond. But by getting the Fiverr app, that allows you to not being able, or to not have to be on the PC all the time, or wherever you're gonna work, the laptop, I'm not sure, but it allows you to not have to be on the PC or the laptop all the time. You can just quickly respond to your customer or a new customer on the phone, and that's pretty useful. Okay, so tip number 6, this is to join the forum of Fiverr. The community there is just so helpful. They help you out with anything. I personally have asked them to help me with my finishing message whenever I complete an order, and then you say deliver your order, and when you attach an image or something, I generally didn't know what to say, but then I asked someone on the forum. They told me what to say exactly, and from that day people have been coming back much more just because of that powerful message at the end. So make sure to join the forum, ask whatever questions you have there, and if you don't want to, make sure to comment down in my comments below. And if you're a Fiverr seller yourself, make sure to please help out in the comments, answer some quick questions down there. Things like, what profile picture should I upload? In my opinion, generally a picture of yourself, because it builds trust, just like me, just like I'm doing right now with you guys. You guys see me. I hope this gets us to trust each other a little bit more. So yeah, just upload a picture of yourself, but that's not the point. The point is to join the forum community on Fiverr. Okay, and the last tip is tip number 7. Learn how to go beyond $5. So this is pretty important because people always think, oh, there's always somebody doing it for less than me for $5. Yes, that is true, but if your work is truly valuable and it's of quality of more than $5, then people won't be afraid to pay more, because remember, most people that order from you are from America, and here in South Africa $5 might seem like much, but to them it's just like, dude, 10 bucks, 5 bucks, same difference. It's not that much for them, believe me. Okay, so this is the bonus tip. This is my secret tip. Now, if you made it this far, you're gonna be very happy, very happy you did, because this is what made me a level 1 seller. So the tip is sell in bulk, and when you do, give out massive promotion deals, discounts. That's the type of stuff that gets people interested, because a new seller comes in, he asks for 2 thumbnails, like for example for YouTube. I do thumbnails. Usually a buyer comes in, they ask for 2 thumbnails, they ask the price, I say 10 bucks. Obviously, as you can see, it's 5.5, but then they ask, damn, that's a little bit too much. Then I say, oh wait, but if you buy 20, you get a 40% discount. And then instantly they're hooked, because they're like, wow, 40% discount. Then instead of buying 2 thumbnails, they buy like 20. It's a lot of more work for me. But the secret is, that's how you get more money out of a customer, because you don't know if he's going to return to you next time, so you might as well drain out every single penny he has. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Dian, and if you like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe down below. There will be loads more of this type of stuff, and yeah, just leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.